Hello, welcome guys to this channel. This is Signal Trackers, and today we are doing some analysis on the forex market. See how price is moving. So let's begin with business. We are in the 4-hour time frame. This is the US dollar Swiss francs. We made some analysis the 4-hour time frame. So you see that price has been giving us an uptrend. It is an uptrend for USDCHF. So it hasn't been confirmed as a downtrend because the price is moving. It hasn't broken this lower low here, but if it breaks it, then we shall know that price is trying to reverse. So price moved in such a manner. Okay, so expecting price to go higher at this level, by didn't, but still moving lower here. So it give us a break of structure at this level, reach the resistance level which was there before. Yeah, it was there at this level here. So I'm trying to push down. I think it's like a retracement phase. Some people may confuse it to be change of direction. So right now the price is in our demand zone at this level here, and you shall be looking out to see the price action there. And below the demand zone you're having a key level. It's the key level. This is a key level. Why is it a key level? Because our supply zone at this point here, so our supply zone here later became a demand zone, and then below it, sorry, at this point it's just below another demand zone. So I'd be correct to call it a supply, sorry, a key level zone. So I shall be waiting for price action at this level in the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame here, so that we see how price is gonna move and it's going to behave at that point. Right now it is onto our low Bollinger Bands, and if I'm to look down into the RSI, still we are below, which means there are some instances of trade which might occur whereby price will now reverse into its initial direction. So that's my analysis for the Swiss francs. Let's wait out for price action, and I'll be expecting for us to get buys in the market. But you need to ensure proper risk management. So how do you enter a trade? You wait for confirming candlesticks in this region here, which show that the price is gonna take back into its direction. Then you can enter within there, or you can scroll down after confirming the candlestick. You can scroll down into the 15-minute time frame for further confirmation and enter into the market. So that's my analysis for the Swiss francs. For those who are new, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I'll be posting more videos on other analysis in the markets. So as I said, I'll be looking for buys in the market, and depending where I've entered from, but if you're using the bigger time frames, your stop loss should be just below. The stop loss should be just below this level, and you target your take profit here at that level. Okay, that's it for my video. Please don't forget to subscribe that button. Don't forget to subscribe, and also hit the notification bell. See you in my next video.